Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi.
My name is Chanchur.
Welcome to our channel,
Just
One
One
More
More
Place. Today we are going to our favorite country, which we have been going to since a long time. It was our first destination when we moved to London, and it is none other than
Scotland.
And I don't know, this is probably our fifth or sixth time traveling there. But it is even more special because we have a special guest today traveling with us and a special guest there waiting for us. So he's my brother Ayushin, and he's visiting London to see me, and he's traveling with us. So we are gonna hire the car. We have no plans whatsoever, and we are gonna go with the flow. Let's see how it goes. And we have a special guest waiting there as well for us. We are going to meet my bestie, who should be here already.
Hello.
Now starting our Scotland trip from Edinburgh. So today we went to several places. We started with the train ride to Edinburgh, and then we went to the Royal Mile, which is the main street of Edinburgh, exploring different places, seeing the castle from outside. Then we went to Dean's Village. That's also another picturesque spot. Over there, you can click some pictures. There, you can easily take like a bus or a tram from Royal Mile to the Dean's Village with some walking involved. It has got some uphill and a downhill. And finally we went to Arthur's Seat. So the three of us did trek. I was in the mood of relaxing today, so I was just on the garden soaking some vitamin D
And ate a lot of ice cream.
and ate two ice creams, enjoying the sunshine. So Vrinda, Ayush and Chanchur went up to the Arthur's Seat and they enjoyed very much. After that, we collected the car, a rented car from Enterprise, and now we are in Fort William after a beautiful drive. So this is, I think we are visiting Scotland. I think for the nth time, and Scotland surprises us always. So it's always very beautiful with every corner taking like a different view altogether. Here we are finally eating some good food, some good old Indian food here.
And we are on our day 2, going to Isle of Skye. So we have a suggestion to take the ferry to the Isle of Skye and drive back through the bridge. So we are going to try that. We are going to call some ferry companies and see how it goes.
So we are now on the way to the ferry. We are taking a ferry to go to Isle of Skye, and we have a pit stop here on the Glenfin Viaduct, the Harry Potter Bridge, which we are going to come tomorrow as well. And we're just having some food here. Rameta. So now we are going into the ferry, and this is gonna take us to Isle of Skye. There's a little bit of a hiccup. They got us the wrong ticket, so don't book through this company. Call Mac or confirm your tickets beforehand. After a lot of fights with the company, the ferry company, we got on the ferry, and it's totally good. What do you think, guys?
Yes.
Woo! Woo! It's a rainy weather today, so lots of high tides as well. But yeah, here we are on the ferry going to Isle of Skye.
And here she doesn't come out of the car because she's feeling too cold all the time. You can wear a jacket.
windy now. I'm good here. We are here at our first spot, which is some bridge, which we will write on the screen. It has got very pretty this stream of water, and it's a misty day today with lots of clouds. We are now at the ferry pools. There's a spot with a little bit of hike. They're mostly straight, but then little bit of uphill and downhill. But I would still consider it as easy. I'm not a hiker, so yeah. There are beautiful streams of water and some nice pools, like staircase pools, which we are gonna see after a little bit more of a walk. And there's also a parking space, you can park your car there. And yeah, it's wet today, unfortunately, so we are all carrying our umbrellas. And here's the crew. Hello people. Hello, so today is the final day in Scotland, and we are here at Glenfin Viaduct, which is the Harry Potter Bridge. And there's a steam train which is gonna cross this path, and we have always been very excited to see that. This is our third time, and first time for Chanchara and Ayush and Brinda to see the train, and it's pretty nice. You can also ride this train. It's called Jacobite, and it's a little bit expensive, but if you are a die-hard fan, then this is something which could interest you. But here are a lot of view spots you can go to and have a look. Now we are just waiting for the train. It comes at 10:45, and look at the crowd. Everyone is excited about this.
Now all we need to do is catch up with the train. We can't be far behind. Do you hear that? It must be getting close. Hold on.
So Mehta is going back to Germany, and we are dropping her off. How was the trip, Mehta?
The trip was really good. That and just coming to an end is not so good.
Yeah, totally. How was the trip, Ayush?
Really nice.
We are on our... Finally, we dropped off my bestie to the airport to take the flight to Germany, and the Scotland did not fail to amaze us this time as well. Just like all other times, it was as beautiful and as magnificent and as different as it can be. We really liked this trip. I hope you liked our drone shots, our videos, and our recommendations. Hope to see you again in another vlog sometime later. For now, bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you liked our content, and share with your friends if they are visiting Scotland as well.